For UT Permian Basin senior Joshua Lujan, singing is more than just a hobby, it's his future.
Choir is my sport. I really want to teach students when I get older. Choir is just, I've been in it since I was in the 7th grade and I've just really enjoyed it. So I took on that as a profession, and that's currently what I'm going after for my degree.
Joshua was born and raised in Odessa. He graduated from Odessa High School and then made the decision to stay in West Texas.
I think coming to UTPB was the best decision that I ever made, just because of how personal all of my classes were, especially in the music scene. There are so many opportunities in my classes. You know, being able to be a part of this school and being able to be a part of my ensemble really gave me the opportunities to do those things, because if I went somewhere else, I wouldn't have been able to have those opportunities.
Some of those opportunities include being in the conductor's seat for the choir and traveling abroad.
Fall of 2018, the university choir, we went to Mexico. We did an international tour there, and that was very exciting.
From being a part of choir to serving on the campus activities board, Joshua has embedded himself in UT Permian Basin. But when COVID-19 hit in the spring of 2020, he wasn't sure if he could afford college anymore.
There were so many variables that many people didn't know what was going on in the world. We didn't know whether or not, people would lose a job, or whether or not, my dad would lose a job. Education is so important that I just couldn't imagine taking a semester off or taking a year off. Like that, I feel, would be detrimental to my college career.
And that's exactly why UT Permian Basin stepped in to help Joshua and hundreds of other UTPB students. Last year, the university held our first ever Falcon Giving Day, 24 hours dedicated to online giving. The idea is simple. Whether you can give $5 or $5,000, your contribution matters. When COVID-19 hit, the university shifted our focus to the Student Emergency Fund. Thanks to help from our community, the university raised nearly $200,000. Students directly impacted by the pandemic, including Joshua, were then able to apply for assistance from the university.
It kind of gave me a lot of relief, especially when I had received that relief, because it took a lot off of my plate, especially because sometimes you don't know where those funds are going to come from, especially in a crisis like this.
With the help of the West Texas community and beyond, Falcon Giving Day was a success, and we hope to continue the tradition of giving for years to come.
This is something that I really do hope lasts forever, because so many students have actually benefited from this without even knowing it. And I think that's a great thing, and I hope that every student for generations to come, long after I'm gone and long after the generations after me have gone, when the school is hopefully like one of the biggest schools in West Texas, that Falcon Giving Day is still a thing, and people can look back and be like, I benefited from that. And maybe that'll inspire more people to give on those days when they have the means, or be able to pay for somebody's tuition, because that could change a student's life.
So this year, on April 14th, we hope you'll consider giving back to UT Permian Basin. Your contribution will help our university, our faculty, and most importantly, our students like Joshua.
I just personally want to say a thank you for every single donor and every single person that has given their time, volunteering, or money to the Falcon Giving Day. It has impacted so many students more than you could ever know.
Visit utpb.edu/Giving Day on April 14th to help our university on Falcon Giving Day.